Got a good one here. Carrier package rooftop unit. See that nice little slice in there? Well, that inner coil is just zip tied from the factory. Well, the zip ties decided to break and put a nice big hole in the condenser. So you can see right here, you can probably hear it a little bit. I just put nitrogen on it, found our leak right there. So we're going to patch it up. Seems like that's the only leak. If I can get my camera in here. Right there, that's kind of cut in between, right in between the sections, so I think we're good there. You can see a little bit of oil on that right there. If I can get it in focus. So we're going to braze that up, put a pressure test on it, see if it holds, charge her back up, and get this baby up and running.
Okay, if life loves me, it'll be
All clean, ready to braise. So very nice. Sure. We zip tie coil together with better zip ties than what carrier use. Very nice.
Got it?
No, it's not through yet.
Way.
Where is it? Pop it through. Oh, pop it.
Papa John, we make better pizza. What the fuck are you?
Where did it go? Oh no, it's lost in the coil.
Lost.
The zip tie.
Turn around, it was gone.
Where is it? I hear it.
I think it's catching a coil and turning it. Kind of like fucking Robbie and his fucking plumbing. Oh, I caught that fucking Y trap and sent it the other way.